At the heart of Europe's industrial future lies innovation, resilience, and precision. From Portugal, Insoltub is a trusted name in the metal transformation and mechanical engineering sectors. We design and manufacture tailor-made solutions in stainless steel, copper, aluminum and more, for industries that demand quality without compromise. Since 2019, Insoltub has grown beyond borders. With operations across Europe and trusted partners around the world, we deliver precision where it matters. With facilities in the heart of Portugal, we combine local expertise with global reach. Precision, reliability, and innovation, that's what we offer. We optimize budgets, delivering value without compromising quality. Turning ideas into actionable plans, every step carefully thought out. Precision engineering, tailored solutions for every challenge. Prefabricated components, ready faster, safer, and smarter. Our craft in every weld, strengthened by advanced technology. Custom piping systems, reliable, efficient, built to last. Every assembly, a mark of excellence and consistency. Efficient climate solutions, designed for performance and durability. Strong, precise structures, engineered to meet your needs. Every detail checked, nothing is left to chance. Standards met, expectations exceeded, every time. Keeping systems running, smooth, safe, and efficient. Fast, precise repairs, restoring performance with care. Welding is our craft. At Insoltub, we master multiple techniques, adapted to each material, structure, and project. Experience, technique, and consistency, forged in every weld. Every project tells a story of precision, strength, and custom engineering. Here are examples of what we build. We offer engineered solutions across a wide range of industrial sectors, always tailored to the specific needs of each client. With a strong focus on the petrochemical industry, where precision and reliability are critical. Tailored to every client, every project, every challenge. Every certification is proof of our commitment to excellence. Behind every project, skilled professionals who master every detail. Because no two challenges are the same, every solution is unique. We work only with trusted suppliers and materials that meet the highest standards. Built to perform, designed to last. Safety and precision go hand in hand, on time, every time. We adapt, anticipate, and find solutions before challenges arise. A reputation forged through reliability, consistency, and trust. Driven by innovation, sustainability, and a vision for lasting progress. Our commitment to sustainability drives us to improve continuously, with eco-efficient processes, smart waste management, and materials innovation. We don't just follow industry standards, we help shape them. We work closely with clients across Europe and beyond, delivering precision, reliability, and on-time results. Whether you're building a skyscraper or developing cutting-edge cooling systems, we're here to make your vision real. At Insoltub, we're building the future of industry, tube by tube, part by part. Let's create something great together.